Right, welcome home. I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing burger. And for me, the secret of burger is in the blend. So we've got chuck, we've got the most amazing ground beef, and a little bit of brisket. First things first, season it. Once you've seasoned them, we're binding this together with a touch of egg. That sticks it together, and more importantly, try and get this done the day before. If you get this done the day before, set them in the butter. They stay nice and firm. That way they don't fall apart on the butter. Get that grill piping hot. Now, this is one of my most desired burgers, one of my favourite burgers. This is, for me, called the N-word burger, which is actually on sale at my burger restaurant at Planet Hollywood in Vegas. Now, season them. Let the meat relax a little bit. Don't take them out of the fridge ice cold, otherwise there'll be mayonnaise. On the outside, grill, piping hot. A little touch of oil on the burger to start off with. This is a beautiful grapeseed oil. Make sure it's seasoned. Also, roll the seasoning around the edge of the burger. You know, you can't season the burger after it's cooked, so make sure you roll that seasoning around the outside and mop up all that butter. Gently all the burgers and then on. Find the hottest spot, which is normally 2/3 of the way up. Once you put a burger on the grill, the secret is to move it as less as possible. The more you move it, the more chance you've got of breaking the burger. And then look, on. Now from there, lid down. Lid down. That's... How many times have you stuck babies on a grill and wondered why it's sticking? Nicely oiled, quick sear, and put that lid down. Really important. Now, why do we toast the buns? We toast the bun because there's nothing worse than the soggy butter, baby. How many times you had a burger and the bun is wet? If you toast that bun, it gets nice and crisp and it protects the burger. So, salt, pepper, a little drizzle of oil, and lightly toast those buns. Back up, lift, quick, in, toast those buns. What goes well with a burger? Butter, salt, baby, a little bit of oil, great butter, red wine butter, a chipotle butter, a bit of mustard butter, tea, the flame, a light brush, a touch. And then these beauties here, grilled butter. Peel the onion, slice them, lightly season them. Salt, pepper. Fresh grilled onions on a burger, trust me, delicious. Absolutely phenomenal. On. Season them, and then look. I'm a firm believer in toasting both sides of my mayonnaise, top and bottom. Onions on, lid back down. Now, look at that bun. Beautiful. Turn these burgers beautiful. Wow. The flame is okay? Use a long spatula. A busy grill is a delicious grill. So, you don't cook the burger. Look at those butter babies. Caramelize those onions. Love those. Now, at my burger restaurants in Las Vegas, we baste the burgers with Devonshire butter. Today, we're just going to lightly brush a bit of butter onto the burgers with that flame underneath. So, just lightly brush a little bit of butter on there, and it makes the burgers so tasty. Now, if you want to become even more chefy, what can you do? Lightly brushing the burgers with a touch of butter 2 minutes before they come off. So exciting. Look at the colour of those burgers. Notice how there's no shrinkage there. And with this butter, it makes it so flavoursome. Right, time to flip. That is a burger to die for. And then a light brush. Now, before they come off the grill, lightly season them on the grill. Look, from a distance. The first part of the seasoning is cooked and it's inside that burger. The last part of the seasoning, literally before you take them off, really important. Season, 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 season. Season, 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 close. Now for the exciting part. Here's the base.
Made 30 bands in 30 minutes. Before I count it, I done damn near spent it. Put a break on ya and some.
Okay, that's the inward. Base, base, base. 3 tops, 3 bases. Think. Take your lettuce and just lightly snap the lettuce, break that in half, and sort of manipulate the lettuce where it sits, literally, on your bun. Snap it, break it, and form the lettuce the same shape of your bun. Snap it, break it, gently push it down. From there, a nice slice of tomato. After that, give me an S, give me an A, give me an L, give me an S, give me an A. Salt and pepper on that tomato. Beautifully done. And look, from there, a touch more. A touch. Amazing pate. And then look, from there, on, down, and hold that baby. In, on, down, on, down, and in. And look, watch what happens. That is why I have one of the busiest households anywhere in America. When you've got a neighbor like Stevie Wonder next door that can smell those delicious burgers, Kim and Kanye 3 doors down, trust me,